Great day, wonderful day, a lot of people. This exotic car show here was sponsored by Ferrari Drivers Club of Sarasota. And we're here to raise money for the flight to the North Pole. Cars that you can only see in a movie sometime, from the Ferrari to the Lamborghini, Lotuses, Rolls-Royce, McLaren. We also have here with us a Batmobile. Flight to the North Pole is an organization that's been created in 1985 to take care of terminally ill children. Because of today, we're going to be able to purchase a tremendous amount of gifts for the children coming at the main event at the airport. At that point, we'll be able to have them meet with Santa and receive everything they wrote down on their wish list. Flight to the North Pole, absolutely something that people need to be part of.